So today I'm going to show you how you can get your ADCB loan in just 2 days. It's very easy, guys. Open any browser on your phone and then type ADCB personal loan. Once you are on this page, simply scroll a little bit down. You'll see this section here that says loan for expatriates. As you can see on the screen, you can simply request for a callback. But today, I want to show you how to apply online. I'll also share with you the minimum loan amount you can get depending on your salary. First of all, here are some few things you need to keep in mind. The interest for this loan will start from 6.49%, okay? And also, you can get multiples of your salary as high as 2x. Before we even apply for this loan, let us look at the key benefits. You're going to love these, guys, okay? As we have seen earlier, you get high salary multiples, competitive interest rates starting from 6.49%. Loan consolidation is available. Simple documentation. You won't need extra documents. Credit life insurance. Free ADCB credit card once you apply and get your loan approved. You also get up to 2 times salary overdraft. Now that you know the key benefits you get when you apply for this loan, let's look at the required documents. A fully filled and completed application form, which I'm going to show you how to fill in a minute, a valid passport, visa, and an Emirates ID copy, your last 3 months bank statement copy, a salary certificate issued to ADCB, dated 30 days or less, okay, salary transfer letter, and details of existing loans or liabilities in case you have any. And the terms and conditions of this ADCB personal loan service are very easy, okay? It's up to the ADCB bank to decide whether to approve or reject your loan application. So now let me show you how to actually apply for this loan. But you should also keep this thing in mind. You may have to pay penalties if you pay off your loan very early. If you don't meet your loan repayments on time, your account will go into arrears. This may affect your credit rating, even with other institutes, and also might limit your access to financing in the future in the UAE. Here is an example of how much you actually have to pay every month. Let's say you take a loan of 5,000 dirhams and your interest rate is around 7.5. Let me put 7.5 here. And the number of installments, let's put here 24 months, which is 2 years. That means you have to pay 225 dirhams every year. Guys, remember, you can always adjust the number of installments to the number of months that is convenient for you. And also, the minimum personal loan amount you can take from the ADCB bank is 5,000. You can get as much as 1 million depending on your eligibility, okay? So again, let's say you're taking 5,000 at an interest of 7%, payable in 24 months. You'll have to pay 225 dirhams every month. So the total interest that will be paid during this loan period will be 400 dirhams. To apply for this loan, simply tap on apply now. Once you tap on apply now, you have to select whether you are an existing ADCB customer or not. For the sake of this video, let me select no, okay? Go ahead, tap on the drop down button here, select whether you're Mr., Miss or Mrs. Alright, enter your full name and again, enter your UAE mobile number. Keep in mind that this mobile number should be valid and correct because this is the number that the ADCB bank representative will use to contact you. And also, enter your email address. You'll also have to enter your nationality. Go back and review. Make sure the information is correct because this mobile number and the email address will be used by Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank to contact you. Once you're sure about the information, tap on the next button. Go ahead, enter your date of birth, enter your emirate where you reside, and select your type of employment. Enter here your company name, enter your monthly salary. Once you have entered all this information, go ahead and finally submit your application. Your application for an ADCB personal loan has been successfully submitted. Wait for a call from the bank within 24 hours, and that is how you apply for your ADCB personal loan online.